Here I have a Vivo Y71. Let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply use some paper pin or special eject tool. Here I have simple paper pin. Let's just press it right here. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device, so let me do it. And here you can insert the Nano SIM card, so let me start with that one. Here I have the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, here you can insert the second Nano SIM card, or you can leave it empty and use the micro SD. Let me use micro SD. Here I have micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. And this is the properly prepared slot. Now you can put the whole thing into your device. Let me show you. And now you can switch on the phone to check out if both cards are working properly. Alright, here you can unlock the screen. Let's enter the pattern. Let me here find and select settings, so let's wait a few seconds. Let's here find and select settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose here the mobile network. As you can see, one network is activated, so it's a good sign. You can also go back and here you can find and select the storage, so let me do it by using more settings, or you can here find RAM and storage space. And as you can see, the device is reading the SD card, so everything went well, both cards are working properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.